Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on your HP ENVY X360. In order to mute the microphone, just click on this button right here. If it turns red, this light turns red, then your microphone is locked. When you click on it again, it should be unlocked. If this doesn't work for you, then you may have the configuration changed, that the primary function of this key will be F8 instead of locking the microphone. So in order to use the secondary function, press on Fn and F8 at the same time and it should lock it. But in my case it works with just pressing on this key. And now I'm gonna present it to you with the sound recorder. So here is the recorder. Now I'm gonna start recording and I can say stuff and it is recorded. Then when I lock the microphone it doesn't show anything, and now I can unlock it and it records again. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.